welcome back. So today I'm about to do a little body vibes. That's how I'm feeling. So today I'm here with Celie once more. Celie do be having some good hair, so yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the package of what we got today. So there's some stuff that they put in the bag here. Let's see what's up. So we got a bonnet. I'm always happy to get bonnets. You can't have too much bonnets, like, yeah. I got a pamphlet which just lists their social media, hair care and stuff like that listed inside. You know, that's always helpful. Have a wig cap, and we have a pair of lashes. I like this style. You see the space? I always love this kind of style. Really nice mink eyelashes, so this will be added to my collection. Voila, it's been a while. For some reason, every time I get blonde hair, I go wild, I go crazy, I get so excited, and I never ever let the hair remain blonde. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna let this wig remain blonde today. Well, yes, sometimes I'll show you guys in its blonde state. I'll wear it for the video, but bam, literally a day after, I'll change it to a next color. So I said with this one today, I'm actually going to, the only thing I'm going to do with this is tone it. Because me personally, for a more long-term wear or just for that wear overall, I prefer when my hair is toned. Like, it's this yellowy look. Yeah, I prefer to tone it down a bit. You know, so it doesn't look as yellow. I mean, if you want to rock it like that, you definitely can. This is 24 inches, by the way, and it's a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's a 200% density wig, so that's nice. It's straight, as you can see. So this is how the lace looks pretty nice. I love that. It has 4 combs on the inside. This is the cap construction. Adjustable straps in the back. You know, it feels really thick. It's some really thick hair. As I say, it's 200% in density, and it's 24 inches long. So what I'm gonna do is just like grab a little bit of warm water, and then I'm going to be, I ran out of the conditioner. This is a conditioner, but it's not enough in there, so I'm gonna actually just use some of the purple shampoo from Shimmer Lights. I'll tell you this, something that I've noticed with using either the purple shampoo or conditioner, you just can't, I was a little heavy handed, to be honest. So what happened is, like, the roots of the hair and the ends took it a little bit more and turned it purple gray, you know. So that's not what I'm going for. If you can see, the middle portion here is the exact color what we're trying to get. So this can't work. So what's gonna happen right now is I'm gonna have to go to the store, because I'm gonna need to get some tea Wella, some of that Wella toner. I've used it before, guys. This is actually days later. That's the only con with purple shampoo toning sometimes. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and correct this right now. So I got me some Wella color charm in T18. This is for, like, if you want to get like ash blonde. So that's definitely the vibes I'm going for. So I have my developer that I'm going to be using as well for this, and I'm just going to apply it all over the hair, let it sit for a bit, and hopefully we can see how it is after that. Wig, guys, this is how it looks. This is how it's looking, and this is how I'm gonna let it stay. I'm gonna go ahead and actually, you know, give it some nice wand curls. So of course I'm getting storm vibes. One thing I noticed with blonde hair, like females love to wear a good blonde hair or install or a good blonde look on like very special occasions. I don't know what it is about blonde. It's just like a drastic switch up that looks cute for the most part. So like birthdays, you know, certain like celebrations, it's just blonde, you know? Yeah. I feel like this blonde is looking pretty good though. The fact that I toned it, like for majority of the people that wear blonde hair, like most of the times, like they prefer to tone it. Very rare where it just as is, which it can be done, but it's just like very rare for me. Listen guys, these little clips that you saw me use to do my wand curls, to hold the curls, I got all of these clips in separate hair packages. It's just over a matter of time I collected them and I have more. Like it's crazy. I tell you, these little goodies in the hair packages come in so handy. My plans for this wig kind of got shifted. I was going to wear it for a special occasion, but that didn't work out in the time that I expected it to. So initially I was going to do a glue install with this, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do my got to be today. Oh, and I did my nails. I didn't do a video like on my main channel. You have to like keep up on my vlog channel to see a quick little, you know, sped up thing of when I was doing this. It was like this was a real trial and error set for me. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to be honest. Like I personally would give it like a 7 out of 10. You know, the shaping however is looking really good, but the style, like what I was going for, didn't come out exactly. So like how I wanted it to. So I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. You know, but it's very much still looking poppin'. So simple glam, nothing extra today. I'm gonna go ahead and just unravel all of these curls. I tell you, these clips hold the curls so well. I don't even know what they call these. I guess you just call them like duck clips. It's not like the other ones, because you have this one, but it doesn't have the gritty stuff. I feel like it really helps the hold. I'm all done with this hair. I'm loving the look. I love the way it came out. It has like different hues from the toning, as you guys can see. It's really pretty. This type of shade always gives me storm vibes. It's very dramatic, especially for somebody who is not used to like rocking blonde or just something as bold as this. If you're used to just doing black all the time, this is a nice way to switch things up. As I said before, I really love how thick it feels. It feels very thick. Sometimes I get blonde hair and it can feel a bit thin, so I love the density. I love the density of this. The lace melted beautifully. I'm going to put all information on this wig down below. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and check it out. Shout out to Celie here for this bomb wig. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative. Hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. And I'll see you in my next video. So until then,